Jaja, padala ng padala.
So we have 4 square meters. 30 meters high, 40 meters long, and 10 meters wide. So the researcher and the designer of San Espiritu Santo is also the one who made the Andalusia, if you're familiar. Welcome to the peak of the centuries. This is the last part of. It's silver because it's also the one that's the engine of trade during back then because of the legacy of silver, right? So each galleon was sponsored by someone for it to be named after them for 20 years. So it has a naming rights.